今天来了一个意大利老铁啊，想到我这里搞一块高仿手表，可是我没有啊。我可以教一下大家如何用塑料英文和他沟通。你好 ，Can you speak Chinese?
No, but I can do translation. These are copies.
Not a copy, original
No, these are original. No.
or original. You want a copy?
Yeah, but this is like
No. Oh yes, original.
this.
This is Huber.
I
Yeah.
know this watch.
Yes, original. You can see.
What is the price of this?
Wait, I touch it, show you. RMB. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
I have some of this, but it's
Yeah, Italy good price. Italy bag watch good price.
so. In this price is. How do I know this is original? If you have copies.
Not copy. If this one copy, you can call police. Can you understand? You can
No,
call.
I understand. Yeah, but do you have copies?
I have no copy.
You have no copies.
Yeah. We have no copy. Not fake, not copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
These I like, but 60,000.
Not expensive. It's cheaper.
Can I see this one? Because this I have it. I have the same. How much you sell this?
You have same one?
I have the same. Yeah, my father gave me.
Oh, your father gave you?
Yeah, how much is the cost of this?
In China, this price.
7.3. Okay, it's a big one. Okay, my friend.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. All the best. Ciao.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Ciao. Bye bye.